welcome to the video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new fidgets that I got. I only got two, sadly. Well, I got like two squishies, but one came in like a pack. Like this one, in this bag. And we just came back from the mall. We went to a bunch of different places and stuff. And so I got this frog that's all in that bag. Look at this cute frog. It's so cute. It's like a squishy frog. Okay, we're gonna unbox this first. So, what are we gonna do? I guess we'll just cut open the net. Ooh, I can't even feel it. Ooh, it feels so weird. I need to cut a bigger hole.
Hi. Can I do this with you?
Yeah, you can. You could just sit on the bed.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, that's my brother. He's in some of my videos. Look at this squishy frog. You can try them out too. And this is like this.
Wait, let me go show the camera.
Yeah, it's like that frog.
Look at this.
And also I got this like Neato set with like a bunch of Neatos. I'm about to cut it.
All right, yeah. Here. No, wait, let me do it.
No.
Julia, I don't think, Julia, be careful. You might accidentally puncture a Neato. Here, let me get that for you.
No, I got it.
No, it doesn't look like it.
I don't know why I cut boxes. I just do it. Actually, I think I should.
Need my help?
No.
I won't touch any of them. I'll just hand it to you immediately.
You want to open it like with the tape?
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. You have to take off the tape.
Let me show you. Oh my god. I'm trying to help you.
I got it.
No, you don't.
That's
What
one
did you do?
Neato. That's one Neato. Look at this
Oh, it's a
Neato.
banana. Banana. Banana.
Like, wait, can I?
The strawberry one. They're weird. They feel weird. Oh, I think these are like dough balls.
No, they're not.
Oh, yeah, they are. Look.
No, that's not a dough ball. That's not. These are not dough balls.
These are cool, though. How about I be your cameraman?
No.
I
So
think
that
I should be your cameraman.
no.
Oh, is it just a short video?
Yeah, it was like a short mini video. I hope these don't pop because these are like not my favorite stress balls.
You popped your other ones.
Yeah. No, those are accidentally popped.
Oh, no.
What?
Just kidding.
Stop it.
Here, give them a close-up. I could have given them a close-up if you just would have let me be the stupid cameraman.
There's the banana. The banana.
And a banana!
Wait, let me see. The banana. The banana.
Ow.
The banana. The orange. The strawberry. And the froggy. Well, the frog didn't come with them. It's so cool. My favorite is probably the frog that I got so far. It's so cute. And all squashed up together. Okay, so that's it. Goodbye, guys.